Hi everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we are diving deep into one of the most important selection topics, how to choose the right pressure range for your Baumer CTX series pressure transmitter. Whether you are dealing with vacuum, air, water, or hydraulics, selecting the correct range makes a huge difference in accuracy and sensor life. Let's break it down simply and logically. First, the Baumer CTX series is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges, from vacuum, -1 bar, up to high pressure, 200 bar and beyond. These ranges cover almost every industrial application: air compressors, hydraulic systems, refrigeration lines, and process automation. But to get the best performance, you must match your sensor range with your actual system pressure plus a safe margin. Now, let's talk about positive and negative ranges. A range like 0 to 10 bar means the sensor measures pressure above atmosphere. But a range like -1 to +9 bar covers both vacuum and positive pressure in the same device. This is very useful in systems that operate in both directions, like refrigeration, pneumatic testing, or vacuum packaging. If your system pulls a vacuum before pressurizing, go for a negative range model such as CTX -1 to +9 bar or -1 to +24 bar. Here's a simple selection rule. Always choose a transmitter range that is 25 to 30% higher than your maximum working pressure. For example, if your compressor line works at 8 bar, select a 10 bar range. If your hydraulic system runs at 160 bar, pick a 200 bar transmitter. This ensures accuracy in the operating zone and protects the sensor from pressure spikes. Never select a range that's too low. You'll risk overpressure damage and loss of calibration. Here are some common mistakes engineers make. Choosing a range just because it's available in stock. Always check your system pressure first. Using a very high range for safety. This reduces resolution and accuracy. Ignoring temperature and medium type. For viscous fluids or gases, the response can vary. Remember, correct range is equal to longer life plus better readings. Let's see a few examples. Air compressor, working pressure 8 bar, use 0 to 10 bar range. Hydraulic press, operating at 160 bar, use 0 to 200 bar. Refrigeration system, vacuum to 10 bar, use 1 to +9 bar. Water pump, pressure 6 bar, use 0 to 10 bar for safety. The goal is to keep your working pressure within the middle of the sensor range for best stability and accuracy. Pro tip: if your system has pressure spikes or pulsation, add a snubber or damping orifice to protect the sensor. And for process monitoring through PLC or SCADA, always verify that your controller input supports the same signal type, 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 volt. To summarize, understand your system pressure and direction, vacuum or positive. Choose a range 20 to 30% above the maximum pressure. Avoid over or undersizing your sensor. If you'd like help selecting the right Baumer CTX pressure transmitter, our technical team is just a call away. Visit radicaltechmart.com.